Hi everybody, it's Tracie here. I'm going to share with you baby book number 5 of 5 for my coworkers. I actually completed it yesterday, but ran out of time to do the video. So this one I kind of created on my own using other people's designs or what have you. And I will leave a link down below with the name of the person that I got some of the ideas from, or her YouTube page rather. So the paper pads I used was this one here. I used this one of the boy, it's a boy, and for a couple of the other books I made. So this one's It's a Girl, and it's by Karina London. I'm not sure how to pronounce that. But you can get it at Joann's. So I used that one. I also used a couple of the Michael's Hot Buy pads for my solid cardstocks. And then I used this one here, the DCWV, the Preppy Princess stack. I don't remember where I got this at. It might have been Michael's, it might have been Joann's. I'm not 100% sure on that. So those are the paper pads I used. The album is an 8x8 with a 2-inch spine, and there's lots of room for mom and dad to put anything in there if they'd like. It has just a simple magnetic closure on there, and the front cover, I almost messed up, and I almost put the closure on there before putting the background paper on there. And I really loved this page here, and thankfully each paper pad has 3 of each sheet. So I took a little bit of measuring and then cutting, but so it just wraps around the edge of the book like that. Pretty simple. So you open it up to this front inside cover, and there's a little pocket here. Well, I guess it's not really little, but so there's that pocket. And then I just took this sticker, the rocking horse, and I put it on cardstock and fussy cut it and pop dotted that up. The border punch I used is this Martha Stewart border punch here. I really like this one. So I use that throughout the book. This inside first page is just a double pocket. Sorry, I just woke up a little bit ago. So there's 7 3/4. Well, just under 7 3/4. It says 7.5, but I know that's not right. And by 3.5, with this little flip closure. It's a magnetic closure, and I'm not sure if you can see those buttons. I got those when I went to, I believe that's when my friend Gina and I went to, it was some kind of junk hunt, and I can't remember the name of it. It was called Shenanigans, something or other. Anyways, so this just opens up this way, and then I used another Martha Stewart punch on the pullouts here, and this is the one that I used here. I think it's super cute. And then it just has a little tag pull out here. And then, of course, this is directional, and I have a lot of problems cutting directionally. I tend to cut the wrong direction, so I end up ruining a lot of paper. And then there's this one here. It has a little bit of the glitter on there, but this isn't the glitter that rubs off, thankfully, because I try to steer clear of that. I'm not a huge glitter person. And then I just used this ribbon I picked up at Michael's on clearance with my Tim Holtz Tiny Attacher. And then, so on here, this I believe is 5x4, 4x5. Yeah, 5 3/4 by 4, and it's just a little fold down that I created using some of the pattern paper. So let me get, it's kind of hard to get into frame here, but there's 4 there, and as you can see, there's that awesome paper from the front inside, or the front cover. and then solid cardstock all the way up. And it has just a little ribbon closure, which I'll tie before I give to Mama. I had until June, middle of June, I'd say, to get it to her, but I just wanted to get it done. Not be done with it, but there's a pocket here, and I didn't put anything there because I figured she could put her cards or notes or whatever she gets from her friends and family. Over here is another fold-out pocket, and this one measures about 5 3/4 by 5 3/4, and then another thrift shop button, and that one is cute. It's got a little bit of glitter on there, and that just folds out that way. And then here we have a die cut that I cut out and popped up, so a little tuck spot. Over here, this was the new one, the new trick I learned, and I'm not sure if I'm going to pronounce her name right, but I will put the link down below in the description. I believe it's Srushti Patil. Sorry if I pronounced that incorrectly, but I will put the link down below. I just found her on YouTube, and she has some awesome tutorials on all kinds of things, and her videos are short and very simple to follow. So it's a slider page. When I did this one, I had a little bit of issues because when I glued it down, I put the glue all the way up to here. So my slider wasn't working. So I had to take it up and correct it. But, so you just slide up this way, and these open out. They're magnetic closures. And then you slide down to the bottom, and these open up this way. And I just thought that was super cute. And then this one here, I guess you really don't need the measurements because I'm not doing a tutorial, but 6 3/4 by 6 1/4-ish. And then there's another pocket here. I flip over here. I have some Dollar Tree buttons and another of that Martha Stewart border punch. And this is a waterfall. And I did use that border punch all the way up there. Little area there, matted area. And then this is another sticker that's put on cardstock and fussy cut and popped up. And then this, they all measure about the same, 5 3/4 by, this one's by 6. I just noticed it's a little off, so maybe I'll put some trim there. Also on the inside, I have some of this Dollar Tree lace. Every time I see it there, I pick it up because I love it, and it's like got the vintage look to it. And then also here, this is just another fold out. It's opposite of the other one. And this is another Dollar Tree button. They come in jars. This isn't the exact one, but they come in jars like about this size with all kinds of buttons in them. So, yeah, gotta grab those up. And then this here is another piece of cardstock that I popped up for a little tuck spot there. And another pocket. And over here, this is just a mirror image of the front page. More of the Dollar Tree buttons. And a couple more pull-outs. Excuse me. Let's see if I can get that in there. There's that one. And that one. And then this ribbon is from either Michael's or Joann's. I kind of stocked up on that for some of the hair ribbons that I make. Hair clips. Bows things I make. Sorry. And that just folds out this way. Another one of those pull downs. I thought this page right here, this paper here was super adorable. Okay. There's that. And then just a canvas there, or however you want to call it. I will tie that for Mama before I give it to her. I'm not sure if she works today, but I'm thinking if she does, I'm just going to bring it to her today. Another slider. This one went so much easier once I knew what I was doing. And they fold out, fold out, magnetic closure. The fun part's going to be learning how to do this smaller sizes if I want to do them smaller for smaller books or whatever. but I'll figure it out now that, and it was a little more challenging because she did her her measurements in centimeters, and I'm horrible with centimeters, so I had to look at, figure that one out. Another pocket. And then the back inside is another waterfall with some more thrift shop buttons and more of that Martha Stewart punch. So this one, like, I thought the doll was kind of creepy looking, but she was cute at the same time. Another sticker, put on some cardstock and pop dotted up, fussy cut it and pop dotted up. The magnetic closure. And then the back inside cover is just another little pocket, more of that Martha Stewart punch. And then guess what? Another sticker on some cardstock, fussy cut and pop dotted up. So that's book number 5 of 5. And I'm going to, I think my next projects, I'm going to make either my Bumblebee junk journal, or I'm going to do a rainbow one. And then I also have some patriotic paper that I got that I was thinking about doing a patriotic one. So I just want to say thanks for stopping by and commenting, and thanks for the new subbies. I've noticed I've got a few more over the last couple days. And big thumbs up, please. And I hope you guys have a fabulous Memorial Day weekend. And I will see y'all later. Bye.